Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find apps. Then let's tap on see all 56 apps, of course 56 in my case, and here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do here is to go through all of those apps, especially those which you're frequently using, but basically all of them, and to remove cache. Basically cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app, and they also occupy the memory. So let me go to contacts, for example, just tap on the app, and then tap on storage and cache, and as you can see here we've got this cache section, so just tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove it. I do not recommend tapping on clear storage unless you wish to make the app brand new, let's say. So and as I said, I highly recommend to go through all of those apps. And you may think that, well, it is not a big amount of memory taken by the cache. That's true, it is not, but if we are talking about one app. However, if you will remove the cache from all of them, so after summing up the space, it will come out that it was actually quite a large amount. And after that, after the whole removal, I highly recommend to simply reset your device in order to confirm all of the changes you've made. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.